Hello children, welcome to my channel. Let us start today's class, 9th class Polynomials and factorisation. Before going to do that, let us have a small discussion about the topic, that is change of work is rest. Usually when somebody asks you what is the definition of rest, you will say what is meant by that? Just lying down on the bed and either sleeping or just lying down and listening to some music or enjoying, thinking something else and all. But that is not the correct way of taking rest, children. Whenever you want to see, you need a rest means what? Your mind says that you are tired of doing something. The work which you are doing is making your brain to overburden. At that time what you do? You change that work. Instead of doing that work, you stop that work and go to some other else, some other work in which you get some enjoyment. You get some pleasure. That kind of work if you do, your mind gets relaxed. Then come back to the previous work and do it. If you do in that way, you will become active always. Lying down on the bed in the daytime is not good for the children like you. Of course, old people and all, that is different. If I am talking about your subjects, what can I say? See children, as students you feel that but these subjects are very tough. These subjects are so easy. Actually, no subject is tough, no subject is like that, children, which you cannot do it. Because every topic selected in your textbooks are basing on your IQ levels. So, actually speaking, they are not tough. But you feel tough because you are not paying attention into that subject. You are not practicing that subject. That is why you feel that it is difficult. But if you start practicing them, you develop love in that subject. So, when you take that subject which you feel that it is hard, after doing half an hour or so, you feel tired. Then go to the subject which you are liking a lot, you like a lot. Take that subject, prepare for it. Then your mind gets relaxed. Come back to the first one, study. That is how you can make yourself to be continuously busy with your work. That will sharpen your mind, children. Even a knife without sharpening, it won't cut your vegetables and fruits. Then why can't the mind? Mind also should be sharpened. You should sharpen your mind like this, continuous changing. You don't ask me why can't I take rest? Rest is this. The meaning of rest is this, change of work is rest. So keep on changing your subject, keep on changing your interests. Then you see that you will be active all the time, you will be functioning all the time, and your bodily, physically, mentally, you will be very active. That will give you a good prosperity. Let us come back to our studies. We have done 2.3 exercise in page 42. Up to 7 problems I have taught. Now I am teaching the 8th problem. 8th problem is you have to find the remainder. There are 2 questions here, children. Find the remainder when p of x, that is x cube minus 6x square plus 14x minus 3 is divided by g of x 1 minus 2x, and verify the result by long division. So, you have to find the remainder and verify. Both questions are there here. P of x is given as x to the power of x cube minus 6x square plus 14x minus 3. And P of x is divided by g of x. And what is g of x they have given? G of x is given as 1 minus 2x. That means what, children? If 1 minus 2x is equal to 0, then minus 2x is equal to minus 1. Can cancel these two. X is equal to 1 by 2. If x is equal to 1 by 2, what will be the remainder? The remainder is p of 1 by 2. So, let us see what is the remainder. What is p of x given to you? X cube minus 6x square plus 14x minus 3. P of 1 by 2. 1 by 2 whole cube minus 6 into 1 by 2 whole square plus 14 into 1 by 2 minus 3. Okay. So, this is 1 by 2 cube is 8 minus 6 into 1 by 2 square is 4 plus 2 ones are 2 sevens are, you can say 7 minus 3. That means here 2 threes are 2 twos are. I can do it like this. 1 by 8 minus 3 by 2. These two if I do, I will get plus 4. Plus 7 minus 3 is plus 4. So, let us take LCM and continue. The LCM here is 8. 8 means the numerator 1 as it is. You will be taking 2 4s are 8, 4 3s are 12 plus 4 8s are 32. So, how much you are getting, children? 33 minus 12 by 8. 33 minus 12. When you are subtracting, how much you are getting? 1 and 3 minus 1, 2. 21 by 8. Therefore, the remainder when P of x is divided by G of x is equal to 21 by 8. This is your answer. Means what, children? You have divided, you have found out by using remainder theorem. P of x is given. So, what is G of x? You have taken, found out what is 0 of 0, G of x, that is 1 by 2. By taking 1 by 2, you have done the problem. Ultimately, you have got answer as 21 by 8. So, the remainder is 21 by 8. So, this is half part of the problem I have done. Find the remainder I have done. Now, verify by long division. So, I need to go for long division. So, before going for long division, I want you to copy this. I will rub the board and I will continue. Please copy it. Now, let me take the long division process. Here, P of x is divided by G of x. So, G of x also I will write it here. G of x is 1 minus 2x. This can also be written as minus 2x plus 1. So, because you need for division variable first. So, minus 2x plus 1 I have taken. So, let me divide it. 6x is x cube minus 6x square plus 14x minus 3 is divided by minus 2x plus 1. So, when this division, long division you are doing, I told you take first one divided by this first one. So, it is x cube divided by minus 2x. Here 1x will get cancelled. You will be getting x square. That means minus x square by 2. So, take minus x square by 2. So, definitely you will be getting x cube only because you have divided by x cube. Then minus into plus. minus x square by 2 into 1 x square by 2. Because it is multiplication by 1 only, directly I am doing. Otherwise, I would have taken there also and multiply. So here it is not needed. So when you are subtracting, what you are getting here, children? Minus 6x square plus x square by 2. So take LCM 2 minus 12x square plus x square. So how much you are getting? Minus 11x square by 2. So here I am getting minus 11x square by 2. So this is the rough work of this part, children. Now let me take the next one. Minus 11x square by 2, I have taken 14x. Now minus 11x square by 2 and divided by 2x, minus 2x. That means minus 11x square by 2 into 1 by minus 2x. Reciprocal, no? 2x means 2x by 1. It's reciprocal, you will write. Minus and minus will get cancelled. Here 1x will get cancelled. You are getting 11x by 4. This is which 11x? Plus 11x by 4. So I am writing plus 11x by 4. So this anyway I will be getting 11x square by 2 because the same thing I have multiplied. Now with this 1 into 11x plus 11x by 4 you will be getting. So this becomes plus, this becomes minus. These two will get cancelled. Now 14x minus 11x by 4. So LCM you take 4. 4 4s are 16, 4 1s are 4 1 5, 56x minus 11x. So from 56 you have to subtract 11. How much you are getting, children? 45. This is 6 minus 1 is 5. 45. So 45 by 4x. So what am I getting here? 45 by 4x and I should take minus 3. Okay. Now I should go for the rough work for the next one. Now again 45x by 4 by 45x by 4 by minus 2x means 45x by 4 into 1 by minus 2x. X and x will get cancelled. 45 by minus 8, that means minus 45 by 8. So minus 45 by 8. So when you go here you will be getting 45 by 4x only. Minus into plus minus 45 by 8 you will be getting. So when you change the signs you have got minus 3 plus 45 by 8. So LCM is 8. 3 8s are 24 plus 45. This is 45. That is equal to, from 45 when you take out 24, 21 you will be getting. So 21 by 8 you are getting. This is the remainder. So children, so we have got a remainder as 21 by 8. So this is what we have got even in the earlier case. So we have verified. We'll say thus verified. We will write thus verified because in the earlier answer you have got the remainder as a 21 by 8. By dividing also you have got 21 by 8. I don't know whether you can see it, children. So this part I will write it here. Remainder is 21 by 8 you will be getting. This is the remainder. So 21 by 8 is the remainder. It is the continuation of this part. So this continuation I am doing, I have done here. In case if you cannot see this, you can see this. So please copy it. With this I have completed 8th problem. Now we will go to the 9th. Ninth problem is, well, polynomial p of x, you have got p of x, polynomial is 2x cube plus 3x square plus ax plus b. This is the polynomial. The problem is, when polynomial 2x cube plus 3x square plus ax plus b is divided by x minus 2, leaves remainder 2, and x plus 2 leaves remainder minus 2. Find a and b. Means what they have given? If p of x is divided by x plus 2, first one they have given x minus 2, not plus 2, x minus 2. Remainder is, what they say, remainder is 2. So you know that x minus 2 is equal to 0 implies x is equal to 2. Therefore, remainder is equal to p of 2. So let us say this. What is p of x? 2x cube plus 3x square plus ax plus b. So what is p of 2? 2 into 2 cube plus 3 into 2 square plus a into 2 plus b. Okay. A into this is this. So 2 into 2 cube is 8 plus 3 into 4 plus 2a plus b. That means what, children? 16 plus 12 plus 2a plus b. That means 28 plus 2a plus b. But what is the problem says? When p of x is divided by x minus 2, remainder is 2. So whatever, according to the problem, if x minus 2 is equal to 0, x is equal to 2, so remainder should be p of 2. That means what? P of 2, according to the problem, I will write like this. According to the problem, p of 2 is equal to 2. Because remainder is 2, they said. According to this, you will get remainder p of 2. P of 2 is this. So what you will be writing? Therefore, Therefore, 28 plus 2a plus b is equal to 2. That means what? 2a plus b, 2 minus 28. 2a plus b is equal to minus 26. This is the first equation. 2a plus b is equal to minus 26 is your first equation. Okay. You copy this, children. I have no place to do the next one. So after doing this, I will go for the next one. Now let us see the second equation, children. In this second equation, where if p of x is divided by x plus 2, what is the remainder? Remainder is minus 2, they said. And you know that x plus 2, if x plus 2 is equal to 0, then x is equal to minus 2. So what you will say, therefore, remainder is equal to p of minus 2. So let us see what is p of minus 2. P of x is 2x cube plus 3x square plus ax plus b. P of minus 2. 2 into minus 2 cube plus 3 into minus 2 whole square plus, what is that? Ax here plus ax. A into minus 2 plus b. That means 2 into minus 8 minus plus 3 into 4 minus 2a plus b. That means minus 16 plus 12 minus 2a plus b. Means what, children? Minus 4 minus 2a plus b. This is p of minus 2. According to problem, what does the problem says? Remainder is minus 2. P of minus 2 is equal to minus 2. So, what is P of minus 2 we got? P of minus 2 is minus 4 minus 2a plus b is equal to minus 2. That means minus 2a plus b is equal to minus 2 plus 4. Minus 2a plus b is equal to 4. This is the second equation. Now what was our first equation? Our first equation is 2a plus b is equal to minus 26 is our first equation. So what you can do? You can add first equation with second equation. That is 2a plus b is equal to minus 26 minus 2a plus b is equal to 4. When you are adding these two will get cancelled. 2b is equal to minus 24. So what is b, children? b is equal to minus 24 by 2. So b becomes minus 12. Then take b value. 2a plus b is equal to minus 26. 2a plus b plus of minus 12 is equal to minus 26. 2a minus 12 is equal to minus 26. So, what is 2a? 2a is equal to minus 26 plus 12. 2a is equal to how much? Minus 14. A is equal to minus 14 by 2. 2 sevens are. A is equal to minus 7. So what are the solutions, children? A is equal to minus 7. B is equal to minus 12. These two are the answers of this problem. Okay, children? So I hope you have followed. It's a lengthy problem, but it is not a tough problem, children. If you follow the procedure, the problem will be easy. Only the thing is, it is lengthy because two factors are given here. It's a lengthy problem. So I hope you have understood. Copy this. This exercise 2.3 is completed, children. Now I am going to do the next part, that is factor theorem. What is the factor theorem? If P of x is a polynomial of degree n, where n is less than greater than equal to 1, not less than, where n is greater than equal to 1 and a is any real number. A is any real number if x minus a is a factor of p of x, then p of a is equal to 0. Okay children, if x minus a is a factor of p of x, p of a is equal to 0. Otherwise, you can also write that if p of a is equal to 0, then x minus a is a factor of p of x. So, two ways you can talk about children. This is the first way, this is the second way. This is called factor theorem. What is this factor theorem? If you have a polynomial p of x, some polynomial with a degree n, degree means you know highest power. If degree n, what is the value of degree? N value should be either 1 or greater than 1. And you have a polynomial, if you have a number a which is a real number, then if you say that x minus a is a factor, that means p of a is equal to 0. Or if it is given to you that p of a is equal to 0, then you can find out its factor, x minus a is a factor. So this is called factor theorem. Remainder theorem we have already done. Now this is factor theorem. Please write down this factor theorem. Now, we will go to certain example sums given in your textbook. This is example 12. Examine whether x plus 2 is a factor. The question is whether x plus 2 is a factor of, what is that they have given? X cube plus 2x square plus 3x plus 6. So, we have understood according to factor theorem, if x plus a is a factor, p of minus 2 should be 0. So, p of minus a should be 0. Okay, children, if x minus a is a factor, p of a should be 0. If x plus a is a factor, p of minus a should be 0. So, here x plus 2 is a factor. That means what? P of minus 2 should be 0. So, let us write that p of x is equal to x cube plus 2x square plus 3x plus 6. So, just like earlier, for this you find out 0. That means if x plus 2 is equal to 0, then x is equal to minus 2. So, minus 2. So, first find out what is p of minus 2. So, p of x is x cube plus 2x square plus 3x plus 6. And what is p of minus 2? Minus 2 whole cube plus 2 into minus 2 whole square plus 3 into minus 2 plus 6. That is minus 8 plus 2 into 4 minus 6 plus 6. Minus 8 plus 8 minus 6 plus 6. See children, all will get cancelled. You have got 0. So what did you get? P of minus 2 is equal to 0. Therefore, we will say that x plus 2 is a factor. The question is, you have to verify whether x plus 2 is a factor. So for that, what you have taken? You have taken 0 of x plus 2, that is x is equal to, if x plus 2 is equal to 0, x is minus 2, and that minus 2 you have substituted, and if you get 0, definitely it is a factor. If you are not getting 0, it is not a factor. Once, what my suggestion is, if you are not getting 0, once you check your sum, did you go anywhere wrong? If you are confident that you have not done any mistake, then definitely that might not be a factor. Okay, children, copy this. This is example 12. Now, example 13. What is that 13th example? Find k if 2x minus 3 is a factor of, what did they give? 2x minus 3 is a factor of, what is the value? 2x cube minus 9x square plus x plus k. 2x cube minus 9x square plus x plus k. For this is a factor. The question is, what is k? So, you know that 2x minus 3 is equal to 0. If 2x minus 3 is equal to 0, then 2x is equal to 3. That means x is equal to 3 by 2. So, p of x is equal to 2x cube minus 9x square plus x plus k. According to the problem, what did they say, children? 2x minus 3 is a factor. So, let me write this. 2x minus 3 is a factor, they said. Therefore, p of 3 by 2 should be equal to 0. They have given 2x minus 3 means we have found out 0 of the polynomial 2x minus 3 binomial it is actually. So, I got x value as 3 by 2. P of x value is given this. Now, they said 2x minus 3 is a factor, they said. That means what? P of 3 by 2 should be equal to 0. So, let us say that. P of x is equal to 2x cube minus 9x square plus x plus k. P of 3 by 2 is equal to 2 into 3 by 2 whole cube minus 9 into 3 by 2 whole square plus 3 by 2 plus k. So, 2 into 3 cube is 27 by 2 cube is 8 minus 9 into 3 square is 9, 2 square is 4 plus 3 by 2 plus k. That means 2 ones are 2 fours are, you can write. That means how much you are getting, children? 27 by 4 minus 9 nines are 81 by 4 plus 3 by 2 plus k. So, if you take LCM here, 4, 27 minus 81 plus 2 2s are 2 3s are 6k and 6 not k, there is no k here, only 6 plus 4k. So, according to problem, let me write here. When you simplify here, 27 plus 6 is 33. 81, you have got 27 plus 6, is 33 and 81 is minus 81 you have got. So from 81 if you subtract 33, how much you are getting children? 8, 4, minus 48. Minus 48 you are getting here. That means minus 48 plus 4k by 4 is equal to 0. I hope you have understood children. I have simplified these three. 27 and 6 same size, plus signs, that is 33, and 81 is minus 81 is there. So when I subtract, I have got 48. Since 81 is having minus sign, we will be getting minus 48. Minus 48 plus 4k by 4 is equal to 0. Minus 48 plus 4k is equal to 0. 4 when it goes the other side into. So 0 will be getting. So 4k is equal to 48. K is equal to 48 by 4. 4 1s are 4 2s are. So k is equal to 12 is your answer. The value of k is equal to 12. I hope you have understood this sum children. Please copy. Next, we will go to the example 14. Example 14 is, show that x minus 1 is a factor of x to the power of 10 minus 1 and x to the power of 11 minus 1. So, we know that if x minus 1 is a factor, then P of 1 should be equal to 0. Therefore, what is P of x? X to the power of 10 minus 1. So, what is P of 1? 1 to the power of 10 minus 1, that is 1 minus 1, 0. Therefore, P of 1 is equal to 0. Therefore, x minus 1 is a factor of x to the power of 10 minus 1. So, first bit I have completed, and the next one is P of x is equal to x to the power of 11 minus 1. So, P of 1 is equal to 1 to the power of 11 minus 1, again 1 minus 1, that is 0. P of 1 is equal to 0. Therefore, x minus 1 is a factor of x to the power of 11 minus 1. So, this is your answer children. Write down this. Copy this. So with this I want to stop. The next part I will do it in the next class.